right, everybody. This is vlog number 1. This is the start of what we're going to be calling 808 Recreational Club. All right, just stopped at the gas station, stretch our legs, fuel up. Probably about 3 hours away.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, about 3 hours away. So, just gonna get some snacks, maybe. Just maybe, most likely, a couple NOS. So, got back in the car, we were all fueled up, ready to rock and roll. Just got a phone call from everybody that we're meeting, and apparently there's a stinky one in the group, and I'll let Jamie tell you who that is later. We're rolling at the same time, so that's where we're sitting now. So in a few hours, the whole gang will be there. All right, well, we made it. It's 5 o'clock this time. We were like 30 minutes away from the time change, so 5 o'clock, we're gonna unload the sleds and probably get a feel for the trails we got going on.
This is what happens. We're sitting around drinking fucking beer.
Look at that pretty sign.
And went snowmobiling up the hill.
Apparently they don't want vintage sleds up there.
And then this guy just comes and posts a sign. Oh, now it's off.
I did. I walked back while he was putting up that sign. I was like, I think it's my dance.
I should have.
I was thinking that on the way up, like, he's got to walk back up.
I know.
Should have had to come out. Should have made it interesting.
Right.
I could have gave a more.
If it wasn't for the video, I was going to hop on the back of Jamie's sled.
Hey,
Marco!
What's the worst that happens? You die.
I mean,
He fall off the cliff.
did you just keep going? Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's one ridge rover.
Hey, bring the beer over here. Shaking it up and getting warm.
So, this is kind of our spot we come to, top of the hill. Got a beverage, kind of celebrate the weekend. Not too many casualties. We had one 600 blow up going across the lake last night. But other than that, we're all 600. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a Frankenstein, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. So, yeah. Overall, trip's going really good. Everybody's sled's running good.
Quit shaking up the beer.
We're gonna get to our, it's technically our second tavern, but we won't talk about that. But yeah, so here's the gang. Right now, we're gonna go into the tavern and support the locals. So.
This is what happens when you approach a very large snowbank. Gotta get your helmet on.
Gotta get your helmet on.
Or when Brad buys blackberries. Oh shit.
Or like, we didn't finish that boy blackberry.
Yeah.